y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I have this wig I was sent from ISEE Hair. They sent me a Malaysian straight 360 frontal wig. I have a 24-inch and this is a 180% density wig. I am laying down my wig with ghost spun glue. Y'all know I've been using it for a minute. This wig was such nice quality, y'all. I was really digging this wig. The frontal was pre-plucked so nicely. It didn't take me much to go in and just do a little bit more, because y'all know I like to go in and just do a little bit more tweaking to my liking, but it was pre-plucked so nice. The lace was really nice. The hairline on the wig, it went well with my hairline, because y'all know I have a lower hairline, so it went well with my hairline, and I just really like this wig. I did get a medium brown lace, and my size for my wig was a medium. I'm a 22-inch circumference, so I got a medium. I decided to do a style with my wig. I don't know what to call this style. A two-strand, two-piece bang type of style. But yeah, it was of course a pretty easy style to do. I figured this would be something cute to wear, something different from wearing your standard middle part, side part type of style. So since this is pretty easy and self-explanatory, I'm gonna just hush my mouth and let y'all see what I'm doing. Just in case anybody was wondering, I did use my Eco Styler gel to do my baby hairs. Y'all know that's what I use every time. Okay, after I pressed out my hair with my Care wax stick and my hot comb, I used the Got To Be Freeze spray to help me mold my ponytail back. And I just used my nice hard brush. You need a nice hard brush, and proceeded to brush my hair back into a lower ponytail. Just to jazz up the ponytail a little bit, I did cover the ponytail holder, and you know, of course, I took a strip of hair and wrapped it around that ponytail holder, and I use Got To Be Freeze spray to set it in place. And lastly, I just spray a little bit of Got To Be Freeze spray on each piece of hair, just to keep it in place. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like this style. I really like this style. It's so cute. It's different. It's not your standard, you know, middle part, side part. Y'all be sure to let me know down in the comments if you like this style. Would you try it? But yeah, I really did like it. But I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you did like it. Share this video if you care. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.